Welcome class 4. Welcome to the computer class. I am your teacher Nitish Kumar. Today we read our first chapter, the computer. But first we know what is a computer. Computer is an electronic machine. Computer having so many parts known as devices. First we know what is a device. A device is a part of computer. For example, your body having so many parts like your hand, like your legs. That's why a computer having so many parts. So we using so many parts in our computer. Computer having so many parts like input devices, output devices, processing and storage. We start with the input device. It is an electromagnetic devices that can be used to enter data and instruction to the computer. अब क्या है, इनपुट डिवाइसेस वी यूज टू एंटरिंग डेटा एंड इंस्ट्रक्शन ऑल्सो. हम लोग यहाँ पर डेटा भी इनपुट कर सकते हैं और इंस्ट्रक्शन भी दे सकते हैं. सो वी आर यूजिंग सो मेनी टाइप ऑफ इनपुट डिवाइसेस. पॉइंटिंग डिवाइसेस लाइक माउस, कीबोर्ड, ऑप्शनल इनपुट डिवाइसेस फॉर एग्जांपल स्कैनर, ऑडियो इनपुट डिवाइसेस फॉर एग्जांपल माइक एंड वीडियो इनपुट डिवाइसेस फॉर एग्जांपल आवर video camera we can say. Okay, now we start with the mouse. Some important devices only we can read here. Mouse can be used to control and manipulate the cursor movement on the monitor. We use the mouse for control the mouse movement on the screen and also give the instruction to the computer. Mainly we are using three type of mouse: mechanical mouse, optical mouse and wireless mouse. Mechanical mouse, we are having the ball inside of them. Optical mouse, we have the light at the back side of this one. And wireless mouse, which does not, it's not directly connected to your computer, or the physically it's not computer connected to your computer. It's connected with a device which known as Wi-Fi. The keyboard is the human interface devices which is represent as a layout of buttons or keys. एक कीबोर्ड में क्या है, जो ह्यूमन रिप्रेजेंटेटिव है, मतलब कि बहुत सारे डेटा लेने के लिए यूज़ किया जा रहा है. तो बहुत सारे बटन्स होते हैं जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं कीज. दीज ऑल बटन्स आर नॉन एज कीज. द फीचर्स ऑफ कीबोर्ड, देयर आर सो मेनी फीचर्स ऑफ द कीबोर्ड. टाइपराइटर कीबोर्ड विथ न्यूमेरिक की. in a typewriter, in all time we are using typewriter, there is only abcd, there is not numbers. But in this keyboard we also have the numbers with the separate format. Special purpose keys, for example delete, shift, home, game, end. There are so many special purpose keys. Toggle and combination keys. Toggle means in that place we are not having the abcd in a direct manner, we have the combination of key or the toggle keys. For example, a is somewhere, b is somewhere, so we are using this type of keyboard. Optical devices, for example scanner, barcode reader. There are so many type of reader. In the shopping malls you having a scanner with hand shape. Okay, a scanner which scan your photos. This is also a type of camera. Inside of a scanner is also a type of camera, but it can be scan only the papers or the things which are in the flatbed. It can't scan your face. Okay, now the output device. Output device is used to receive the information or from the computer either in a soft copy or in a hard copy. Soft copy means when we don't have the physical reports or the physical output, then we have the soft copy. For example, when we see anything in the monitor, it's called the soft copy, and when we have anything in the paper, it's called a hard copy or the other thing. So many output devices we are using: monitor, printer, output, audio output and projector. Monitor, you all know. Monitor, a computer monitor or a computer display is an electronic device of a computer. Generally a monitor is look like a TV. You all see in your computer lab, you see so many types of monitors: CRT monitor, the old one, LCD monitor and the LED monitor. CRT monitor, cathode ray tube monitor; LCD, liquid crystal display monitor; LED, light emitting diode monitor. This type of monitor we are using in our daily life. Actually CRT monitor used is completely in, no one using the CRT monitor right now. So many people using the LCD, and the new one is LED. Okay, printer, when we having the result in the paper, It's known as printer. Printer is used to print the output. When we want to any type of output, then we use the printer. Any type of photo, it's also used for to printing the photo. Types of printer, we using the two types of printer, impact printer and non-impact printer. Okay, impact printer, it's generally makes the contents of the पेपर पे जब भी हमको जैसे कि कोई रिपोर्ट कार्ड या फिर कुछ भी प्रिंट करना है, देन हम इसका यूज़ कर रहे हैं. फोटो प्रिंट करने के लिए भी हम लोग इम्पैक्ट प्रिंटर का यूज़ करते हैं. बट नॉन इम्पैक्ट प्रिंटर, फॉर एग्जाम्पल द जीरोक्स मशीन, the laser printer, inkjet printer, this type of printer, it's used for non-impact printers. Output device, now the audio devices also we have, for example our speakers and headphones. Computer, now the processing device can be defined as the brain of the computer. All the commands are executing from here. For example, just like you have a brain, computer also having the brain, but this thing is known as processor or the CPU. Okay, the box which attached with the computer is known as CPU, and there inside a chip is known as processor. Okay, all the commands are executing from here. सारे commands यहीं से execute होते हैं. Mainly contains the two parts. We can define or we can separate our processor or the CPU in two parts, ALU and MU. ALU, arithmetic logical unit. When we doing any type of calculation, for example plus, minus, subtraction or the heavy calculations, we using the ALU, arithmetic logical unit. And when we use the control unit, for example I am controlling my mouse this time with the help of control unit, and when we use our keyboard with it, it's also control from the control unit. Memory, there are the two type of memory within the computer, RAM and ROM. Within the computer, when we using the inside of the computer, when we using our processing device, this type of memory we use up with our processing device, RAM and ROM. Okay, random access memory, RAM, the currently processing data are held within the RAM. The currently processing data, this time what we are doing right now, it's always go to the store in a RAM. अभी हम जो कुछ भी कर रहे हो सब RAM में स्टोर हो रहा है. Measure as a capacity, we can measure the capacity in MB and GB for 1 GB RAM, 2 GB RAM. Okay, it's also known as the volatile, okay, volatile memory, and the ROM is known as the non-volatile memory. Okay. Now we have the secondary storage devices also, the memory located where as the store. अब क्या है कि RAM और ROM में हम लोग हर चीज़ में स्टोर नहीं कर सकते. Okay, if you want to store the videos, if you want to store the documents, then we have to use the secondary storage device. The memory when we store for used to store data information permanently. When we want to store data for permanent, for use for the long period of time, okay, then we use the secondary storage device. For example hard disk, CD, DVD, okay, tape drive, or you can use the pen drives. These all are the सेकेंडरी स्टोरेज डिवाइस. लंबे समय के लिए डेटा को स्टोर करने के लिए हम लोग इसका यूज़ करेंगे. हम लोग हार्ड डिस्क का यूज़ कर सकते हैं, CD, DVD का यूज़ कर सकते हैं. हार्ड डिस्क क्या होता है? हार्ड डिस्क मस्ट बी इनसाइड ऑफ द कंप्यूटर, इट्स मस्ट बी इनसाइड ऑफ द कंप्यूटर. बट CD, DVD and the pen drive, tape drive, these all from we can use from the outside of the computer. Okay, there's one more concept of the storage devices, internal and external. Internal means hard disk, RAM and ROM, and external DVDs, CD, pen drive, and that's all. So we complete our chapter number 1. Thank you for watching this.